Good morning all. So I've got a 3 litre diesel Touareg here. This is not running at all. We've got low fuel rail pressure. Now these, I've seen this issue before, which you know, you can't buy experience, can you? So lovely 3 litre engine. I like these engines, they're very tunable. So I've got our lovely mate Flynn in the car, who's going to demonstrate just what, because I've done this video before, but it wasn't as long and as in-depth as I'd like it to have been. So what we're testing for here is just to see what's going on and why it's not running and why we've got low fuel rail pressure. So the best way to do it without having all the gear and to test the injectors fully, so bench testing them, we're going to test them and we're going to have a look at what's coming out of the glow plug hole. So all 6 glow plugs are out, got 6 cylinders here, and we're going to see what's coming out when we crank it over. So this is a good test, and this is a test that's worked for me lots and lots of times. There might be other tests out there, guys. You can probably fire it down in the comments if you've done something similar or you found another way of doing things, but this has always worked for me. You know, we like to test, not guess. So our good mate Flynn's going to wind it over. You might hear my voice disappear because the microphone's going to pick up the engine turning over. We'll do one bank first and then we'll do the other bank just so you can see exactly what's going on. So we're going to be looking for a mass amount of fuel across 3 cylinders, and then we'll do the second amount of 3 cylinders. So let's have a look now. So you've got glow plug hole here, there, and again there. Right, so Flynn's going to fire it over. Let's go. See what we can see coming out of them. He's dragging the arse out of this, isn't he? Foot on the brake, turn it to the right, there you go. That one there. So back bank, as you can see, he's just thrown loads of diesel all up this pipe and all across the engine. So back bank's had enough. That's injector number 3. So let's go to this bank, which looks relatively dry, doesn't it? So we might be all right here. Go on then, Flynn. Yeah, it's all that corner there. And a little bit of 2. So this bank's perfect. So what I can do is I can give the customer the option. It's obviously entirely up to them. They can have all 6 injectors, or they can have the one that's really failed, cylinder 3, or one that's on its way as well, which is cylinder 2. So you can see a little bit of fuel came out of this. I'm obviously going to post all this to them. They can make the decision. I can just give them the information. Definitely needs at least 1 injector. That one's not happy. This one's fine. That bank is fine. So here's a video on the 3 litre diesel. If you are struggling and you have got low rail pressure, you know, it could be the pump as well. We know it's not. I've tested that. It's absolutely fine. So there we are, guys. So while these guys are using mad loud tools over there, I'm going to leave that with you. See what you think, let me know, and we'll see you down in the comments. So have an amazing day. Love you, bye.